Hello, good afternoon, very welcome to our film talk that we called Cuba, Cinema as an Antidote to Crisis. If we find the antidote is something we are going to perhaps find out or perhaps not, but it's an interesting point to talk about with two of the really important let's say also new generation, present-day filmmakers from Cuba, which are Patricia Ramos and Alan Gonzalez. Patricia is showing here at the Munich Film Festival her second feature film, Una Noche con los Rolling Stones. She did before a first feature film. I think you shot it in 2016, if I'm right, yeah? Oh, 17, yeah, 16, which was El Techo. So it's a second feature film, but in fact, yeah, we've been knowing each other for a nearly indecent amount of time because we met in the 1990s at the Havana University, where Patricia and I studied literature, and Patricia before studied music. So it's quite an uncommon career for a filmmaker to be first a musician and then a literary scholar. And Alan Gonzalez is here with his film La Mujer Salvaje, which is his first long feature film. He did several short fiction films that had also quite a career in the international festivals. He also works at the International Film School close to Havana in San Antonio de los Baños, where he's the head of the screenwriting department. And yeah, his first film is now traveling through the world, is coming for the first time to Munich, and yeah, and it is for me a very wonderful moment to welcome two filmmakers that I find give a very different vision of Cuba than the image we've known in the cinema in former times, if we knew it. But I think if you came, or if you watch that online, because we're going to broadcast it online, yeah, if you know Cuban cinema, you will appreciate how different this vision is. So very welcome, first of all, Patricia and Alan.
Gracias.
Well, perhaps to start, I would like to give a bit of like historical input, just some minutes, because it is perhaps a situation in which you are doing films which is not known to everybody. You know, it's like I think that Cuban cinema is quite different from the other film industries in Latin America that were already basically famous, like Mexican cinema, Brazilian cinema, or Argentinian cinema that were famous in the 1930s, 40s, 50s. In Cuba, the fact is a bit that we today have the impression that it is a fact that came from the times of the Cuban Revolution. It's also perhaps a mythology that was founded because, like, the founders of the cinema of the Cuban Revolution were people who started to do their films, like El Megano by Julia Garcia Espinosa. Tomás Gutiérrez Alea was like considered to be the first internationally important Cuban film, which was shot by two of the like main figures of Cuban cinema since then. Perhaps this vision is not entirely right, because there was a Cuban cinema also before the revolution. Is like there is, for example, a filmmaker we've never heard of in Germany, Ramon Peón, who was born in the 1880s and who did silent films in Cuba in the 1920s. For example, which was the film I saw once, El Veneno de un Beso was a silent film from 1929. So there was a Cuban cinema, but it was basically totally commercial cinema. There was no public funding for films, and many of these filmmakers basically went to the places where the money is. So many of these productions from these times are Mexican-Cuban co-productions, Argentinian-Cuban co-productions, American-Cuban co-productions. So it was a quite precarious moment, but with still an impressive landscape of films that were made. But the vision completely, let's say, the situation completely changed with the foundation of the ICAIC, of the Cuban Institute of Cinema Industry, Arts and Cinema Industries, because for the first time in the film history of Cuba, there was like a publicly funded and publicly paid film institute, which is something that didn't really exist in other countries so much at that time in Latin America. So it was like a new moment in filmmaking. And so suddenly from the 1960s on, the Cuban cinema started to be one of the famous and internationally successful, also in international film festivals, successful festivals, film industries in the world. And like the advantage of this was that everybody had a way of earning money, of having a steady job, of having a salary, of having an industrial structure to produce the film. The slight disadvantage was that this was the only way to do cinema for a long time. So, like, besides the ICAIC, there was nearly no production structure. In the later times, perhaps the film school where Alan works was a way of producing some films. Perhaps Cuban television or the international, the national movement of video, like these kinds of institutions in some very little scale made possible to make a film. But basically this film institute was the center of all filmmaking, and that was still the case when, for example, I arrived 25 years ago at this film festival when we showed La Vida es Silbar by Fernando Perez. But only few years later, there was a change. I remember we showed in 2008 the film Personal Belongings by Alejandro Brugués, which was produced by Claudia Calviño, who is also the producer of Alan Gonzalez's film. So a producer that is still very important, but she was not from the ICAIC. At that time, it was said to be like the first independent feature from Cuba, and it was only some years after, like La Vida es Silbar. I think it was shot in 2007. So this was the situation. There was like this monoblock of a film institute that dominated all the film industry in the most positive, but also like in all monolithic structures in the negative sense. And then suddenly there was a first movement of independent filmmaking arriving in some moment of the late 2000s. So what I would be interested to talk about, just sorry for this little historical digression, but I think it is important to understand what we're talking about. What I would be interested in to talk about is what is filmmaking today? What has happened since then? What has happened since 2008, and how does filmmaking look like at the moment? we have 4 films here from Cuba in one festival. This is an important amount. I think it's the first time that we have done that since the festival exists. So is this a case of luck simply, or is this the reflex of a splendorous film production at the moment? Or how would you, Patricia, consider the moment of filmmaking in this moment in Cuba? You can do that in Spanish, we can do that in Spanish and English.
Bueno, ha estado escuchándote, estaba contigo y es verdad lo que decías al principio.
So following you, that I found that it's quite true what you said in the beginning.
Que hay como una falsa idea sobre que el cine empezó en los 60 y hay una larga historia antes.
So there is really a wrong storytelling about Cuban cinema, that it only started in the 1960s. There's a long story behind.
Que ahora justamente se ha tratado de incorporar, porque antes era como una especie de tabú hablar un poco de ese cine anterior, era como un cine tildado como comercial, o sea, que no tenía ningún nivel.
So it is a quite new phenomenon that we even can start to talk about this kind of filmmaking, because it was not really forbidden, but it was like depreciated as something commercial without any artistic value, something, yeah, that it wasn't worth it.
Pero bueno, el tiempo pone todas las cosas en su lugar
but the time puts everything in its place.
Y eso es parte de nuestra historia. O sea,
and that is also part of our story.
No se puede tapar ni quitar de nuestra historia, o sea, porque es parte
That's something
de ella.
We cannot even take away from our story.
Y por más que el cine que surgió con la revolución haya sido un cine que realmente rompió, o sea, y fue superior creativamente, eso sí es indudable.
And it is of course true that the cinema that came after the Cuban Revolution was artistically quite superior.
Okay. Yo pienso igual el ICAI, como tú decías, tuvo un momento de muchísima preponderancia, sobre todo, era como casi una de las únicas productoras, aunque existía la productora de la FARC, la productora de la televisión, que también hicieron su trabajo.
And it is also true that it's like the Cuban Film Institute was like the totally preponderant film production organization, although there were different ones, like also the FARC, so the Fuerzas Armadas Revolucionarias, the revolutionary forces, the army had an own film production company and also the television.
Sí. Pero todo eso empezó a resquebrajarse un poco, yo creo que el poderío del ICAI con la crisis económica de los 90.
But everything collapsed a bit during the economic crisis of the 90s.
Y entonces ahí de pronto, o sea, el surgimiento del cine independiente fue como un surgimiento de un movimiento que era vital, o sea, la persona.
The founding of a independent film movement was something that was vital for us.
O sea, porque era como, o sea, si la llamada industria no te va a apoyar, o sea, no vas a poder hacer nada con la industria, pues la gente igual siempre tiene la necesidad de contar sus historias y las va a contar de algún modo.
So if the so-called film industry doesn't support your work, there is still the need to tell stories, and has to be some channel to do that.
Y por eso, bueno, por ejemplo, todas las primeras cosas que yo hice fueron independientes, y bueno, me considero, aunque esta película que traes ahora es de producción del ICAI, con coproducción con nosotros independientes, me sigo considerando independiente de algún modo.
So everything I did in the beginning of my career, like the first short films and also my first film, were produced independently. And although this film I present here is a film produced by the ICAIC, by the Film Institute, although in co-production with my own company, I still consider myself to be an independent filmmaker.
O sea, yo recuerdo que lo que más uno soñaba, o sea, de muy joven, era tener el crédito de ICAI en la pantalla. Era como el sueño de uno, ¿no?
So what we all dreamt about when we were very young was to have the credit of the Film Institute produced by ICAIC on the big screen. That was our dream.
Porque eran las películas que uno había visto, ¿no? Las películas que uno había visto en los festivales de cine de La Habana y todo, y era como la relación cercana que uno tenía con el cine, ¿no?
So because it was the producer of all the Cuban films we had seen in the festival, it was the closest relation to film industry we had.
Pero con la quiebra, con el problema económico y la crisis tan grande en los 90, uno como que se sintió también de pronto huérfano.
But in this huge moment of the moment of this huge crisis in the 1990s, we suddenly felt like orphans.
Y entonces la orfandad da cierta libertad también.
But to be orphan also gives you a certain liberty of
Y
freedom.
entonces uno fue encontrando el camino de contar.
So we found new ways of storytelling.
Y por supuesto al principio eso era como muy mal mirado. Es como
And
que,
that was very badly considered in the beginning.
o sea, la palabra independiente era como una cosa así que daba como, o sea, hubo un tiempo incluso que no se podía decir ni en la televisión cubana.
It was like to be independent was like a dirty word. It's something you couldn't even mention in the Cuban television.
Pero bueno, ya estamos en otra faceta, en otra crisis también. Pero
We're now in a time of another facet, but also in the time of another crisis.
otra más.
Once again a crisis.
Pero donde ya el cine independiente ya no es algo que está asimilado, siento yo.
But at least in these times, the independent filmmaking is something that is assimilated by the official structures.
Exacto, y si no hubiera podido hacer yo una película en coproducción. Eso hubiera sido hace, qué sé yo, 15 años, imposible.
So if not, we couldn't have made a film in co-production. This fact of co-producing between co-production between the Film Institute and a private company would have been absolutely impossible 15 years ago.
Entonces, pero bueno, ahora yo siento que hay, o sea, los cineastas hemos estado tratando de lograr reformas porque Cuba no tiene una ley de cine.
So we, as filmmakers, tried to get some reforms to the whole system because in Cuba there is no film law.
O sea, justamente porque todo se amparaba alrededor del ICAI. El ICAI era autosuficiente, ¿no?
That is exactly because everything was around the ICAIC. So it was like an autosufficient structure and you didn't need a public law to regulate cinema.
Pero con las circunstancias que cambiaron completamente y el surgimiento también del cine independiente y de todo, desde hace bastantes años se está tratando de llegar a poder tener una ley de cine que no se ha logrado.
With all these all these changes in structures we have lived and all the economic situation now, we really do need a cinema law.
Pero en este camino se lograron algunas cosas, como por ejemplo un fondo de fomento público que tampoco existía.
But in this way there were some things that have been founded, for example, a public film fund, which is something that hadn't existed before.
Porque siempre las películas las financiaba, o sea, antes de pronto las podía financiar el ICAI a conveniencia de la historia que le podría interesar.
And before the Film Institute could simply produce the story they wanted without consulting anybody.
Entonces un fondo siempre, como todos los fondos, es algo competitivo, o sea, se presentan proyectos y ganan supuestamente los mejores, ¿no? Hay un jurado de cineastas que los elige.
And a film fund is something like competitive, so you present your projects and there's a jury who decides about it and decides which is the project to be selected.
Y eso empezó en el 2019, fue cuando se logró el
and this
fondo
is only in
fomento.
2019 when that took place for the first time.
Nosotros estábamos absolutamente felices por eso.
We were absolutely happy about this.
Pasado.
Yeah, that's also past.
Porque también se había logrado aprobar mucho dinero para el fondo. O sea, que era un dinero bastante fuerte para todas las iniciativas de cine independiente.
Yeah, and for the first time there was a considerable amount of money for independent production structures.
Un dinero que aporta, por supuesto, el Ministerio de Cultura, ¿no?
And of course it was money that came from the Cultural Ministry.
Pero en eso llegó la pandemia más otra crisis económica.
But then there was the pandemic, and then there was another economic crisis.
Y el fondo se ha debilitado absolutamente muchísimo.
And then this fund really weakened a lot.
Entonces, más o menos en ese panorama estamos ahora.
And we are now in this panorama.
Tratando de ver cómo se puede sobrevivir, pero bueno, el
And
cine,
we try to see how we can survive.
el cine necesita de subvenciones del Estado,
But
es
cinema
inevitable.
at the end needs some subventions from the state.
Pero ahora mismo hay una situación de crisis terrible, entonces es todo muy mal.
There is now this situation of crisis, and it is simply a very bad situation. I would like to ask Alan about this, because I think your film was produced much more independently, because the main producer, Claudia Calviño, has always been an independent. She was the first independent producer probably in Cuba. So without having the support of the Film Institute, how is it possible for you to make a film, and what are the conditions to do that?
Sí, me gustaría comenzar apuntando dos factores que tuvieron que ver también con la pérdida de control del ICAIC sobre las producciones.
So there were two things that I would like to mention first. They are related to the loss of control that the Film Institute has on the film productions.
Para complementar un poco a Patricia,
In order to add things to what Patricia said.
uno es como el acceso a las nuevas tecnologías.
Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, one is the access to the new technologies.
Y el otro es el crecimiento de una especie de festival que se llamaba La Muestra Joven.
And the other thing is the foundation of a new festival, which was called the Young Muestra.
Sí,
So the Young Show.
Curiosamente era una muestra donde se exhibía el cine cubano de autores menores de 35 años.
This was a festival destined to Cuban filmmakers that were less than 35 years old.
Más o menos a partir del año 2001 el lugar era muy estimulante.
And it was like from 2001 on.
Pero curiosamente era un evento auspiciado por el ICAIC.
But strangely, it's an event organized or funded by the ICAIC, by the Film Institute.
Que creció mucho y tuvo en su seno, digamos, como muchas situaciones de crisis con el cine, digamos, política.
And it was a structure that grew a lot, but that also went through a lot of processes of political crisis.
O sea, se convirtió en un problema para el instituto.
And it became, at the end, a problem for the institute.
Porque en la inevitabilidad del uso de esa libertad se comenzó a hablar de cuestiones incómodas.
Because the filmmakers started to talk about disagreeable subjects.
Este evento ocurrió por última vez en el 2018 o 19.
It took place for the last time in 2018.
18 o 19.
So 18, 19 in any case before the pandemic.
Y siempre fue muy incómodo. Hay todavía reclamos para que esto se rescate, pero hay muy pocas perspectivas de que ocurra en realidad.
It was still always a disturbing event, and there are still voices who reclaim to recover it and to get it back.
Y en buena medida, amparados por este evento, hubo una serie de nuevos cineastas.
And through this event, there were a series of new filmmakers that came up.
como Alejandro Brugués, como Patricia Ramos,
For example, Alejandro Brugués, for example, Patricia Ramos,
Pavel Giroud,
Pavel Giroud,
y Claudia Calviño, digamos. Justamente, digamos, como Claudia Calviño era la productora de cine cubano independiente más importante, digamos,
so
con una
Claudia
producción
Calviño,
más
since the beginning,
amplia.
was the film producer, the independent Cuban film producer that was most important.
Y bueno, cuando yo fui a hacer la película, era una gran oportunidad trabajar con ella.
For me, it was a great opportunity to work with her because of this.
Hasta ese momento, ella y los otros pocos productores que lograban levantar películas independientes tenían que recurrir exclusivamente a fondos internacionales.
So at this moment, all these filmmakers who wanted to do independent cinema could only rely on international support, so only international fundings.
Lo cual es muy difícil porque al
And
no tener un % determinado del presupuesto en el país de origen, es muy difícil armar una coproducción no ya mayoritaria, sino incluso minoritaria.
So it is a very difficult situation because to get international co-producers, you need some a local budget, even not only to be a majoritarian national production, but even if you're only a minoritarian production, you need some money from the country you're based in.
Entonces, durante un tiempo, esas escasas producciones se aferraron a estímulos como un fondo que desapareció hace años, que era Sinergia, en Costa Rica.
Oh, it doesn't exist anymore, I thought.
No existe
Yeah,
anymore.
so these filmmakers had to apply for funds that allowed this, like Sinergia, which was a fund for Central American cinema in Costa Rica, but doesn't exist anymore.
E Ibermedia.
And Ibermedia, which is the Spanish fund for international co-production with Latin America.
Que es un fondo que también desde hace algunos años ya no podemos aplicar nosotros porque hay que pagar, el gobierno, digamos, debería pagar una cuota que no...
And it's a fund we can't apply for anymore because our government would have to contribute some amount to this network in order to be able to participate.
Entonces muchas veces se trabaja como con mentiras para poder manipular tu presupuesto.
So we basically work with lies to claim a budget.
Para armar lo que supuestamente es una coproducción minoritaria para poder aplicar al desarrollo, que es a donde único podemos aplicar actualmente, en la fase de desarrollo.
So we have to create this in order to give the appearance of a minoritarian Cuban production that at least allows us to apply for development funds, which is the only thing we can apply for at the moment.
Es probable que las coproducciones en general con España en los años 90 y luego la necesidad de estos fondos internacionales hayan incidido sobre las temáticas que se abordaban también.
And of course, all these international co-production, these funds we get from other countries, and the influence of the production companies from these countries also have an influence on the content of what we produced.
Porque cuando las posibilidades para obtener el presupuesto de tu película son tan limitadas, pues empiezas a trabajar exclusivamente para esas limitadas posibilidades, ¿no?
Because if the possibilities of getting funds are so limited, you exclusively have to work for these limited funds.
Digamos, el cine de los 90 fue famoso por ser un cine complaciente con lo que un poco desde Europa y sobre todo desde España se quería ver de Cuba.
So the Cuban cinema of the 1990s became famous because it was the look of what Europeans wanted to see in Cuba in the 1990s.
Y de cierto modo también las producciones actuales se ven muy marcadas por lo que supuestamente se espera desde esos grandes fondos europeos también, sobre
and also
todo.
the present production look very much like what these big European funds want a film to look like.
que esto es algo que ocurre en América Latina.
That's something that happens in all Latin America.
Pero en Cuba, como hay muchos menos ejemplos, se puede estudiar mejor.
Como que en Cuba hay,
Como hay muchas menos películas, se puede estudiar mejor.
but as in Cuba there are much less films. It's easier to observe or to study how it works.
Y es curioso porque a veces se piensa que se produce mucho, pero hay una producción muy amplia de cortometrajes de la escuela de cine.
Yeah, but sometimes we think we don't produce a lot. That there's quite an important amount of short films that are produced by our film school.
Que en su mayoría son películas que no son la visión de los cubanos, ¿no?
And they're basically films that are not the vision of Cubans, porque son de los estudiantes
Claro,
internacionales.
exacto, porque
Because they're made by international film students who go to this film school.
Entonces, en resumen, hay muy poca oportunidad de de poder armar tu presupuesto, y lo que fue una ilusión con este fondo de fomento
Yeah, and so there's little possibility of getting your funds. And what was the illusion of this film fund?
se desmoronó muy rápidamente. Por ejemplo,
It collapsed very quickly. ¿Pero por qué?
bueno, o sea, a partir de la crisis, el fondo se lanzó la primera convocatoria en el año 19.
The fund it was founded in 2019. It was like the first call for entries.
Mi película se benefició, por ejemplo, de esa
And my
convocatoria.
film was among these films who get the fund.
Llegó la pandemia,
And then there was the pandemic,
nueva crisis en Cuba
a new crisis in Cuba,
y mundial, por supuesto,
of course in the world also.
y hubo una reducción de hasta el 40%,
And then it was reduced by 40%.
de manera que se beneficiaron muchas menos películas
So that much less films could be funded.
y se perdió la continuidad porque
And the continuity was lost.
no todos los años se ha abierto para las mismas categorías.
Because not every year it was opened again for the same categories.
Por ejemplo, Ópera Prima ha abierto solamente 2 veces desde
For
el año
example,
19.
First Feature was only opened twice.
Nosotros teníamos unos números que dan un poco la idea de cómo está siendo el apoyo. O sea,
So we have some numbers to
cuestión
tell you
monetaria.
how, to know how the public support is really.
y calculando al cambio del dólar,
And if we change it to dollars,
lo máximo que puede obtener alguna de las quizás 1 o 3 películas que se financien en el año
the maximum amount that one of the 1 to 3 films can get that are funded every year
para la producción es $45,000.
for the production is $45,000.
O sea, mi película, por ejemplo, se hizo como con un presupuesto de 60 y tanto.
So my film was done with a budget of around 60,000.
Entonces, el panorama que tenemos junto con la miseria total del país
So in the panorama we have, besides the total misery of the country we're living,
es un cine que se tiene que filmar en muy pocos días de rodaje,
it's a film industry or it's like filmmaking which has been done in very, very little days of shooting.
donde no hay no hay una experiencia que se acumule porque hay además una gran emigración constante.
And there's no possibility of accumulating experience because there's a constant emigration.
Entonces hay muy pocos especialistas
So there are very little specialists.
y bueno, la vida se convierte en algo mucho más importante que el arte.
And at the end, life is turns to be something more important than the art. But I found, you wanted to add something?
un número también, otro
I
número.
wanted to give also some numbers.
En mi película, que igual tuvo el apoyo del ICAI y que tenía mucho más dinero,
So my film that had the support of the Public Film Institute and that had more money,
que eran más o menos de 23 a 25 millones de pesos cubanos, que
Sí.
sería
so it was around 23 to 25 million pesos cubanos,
que
which
sería
means
antes de la crisis,
Before the crisis,
entre $800,000 y $900,000, más o
before
menos.
the crisis, it would have been $800,000 to $900,000.
Ese número significa hoy 100,000.
But this means through the devaluation that it is now a budget of 100,000.
Entonces, cuando nosotros empezábamos a filmar, se iba devaluando la moneda.
So when we started to film and it was supposed to be this larger amount, the devaluation started.
Cada semana cobrábamos menos.
And each week we had less money. Each week we.
Y así nos terminó la película y menos.
And when we finished the film, there was nearly nothing.
Yeah, más o menos. O sea, pero fue difícil eso, ¿no? Y en el fondo de fomento, que por ejemplo la primera convocatoria hubo proyectos que ganaron mucho dinero.
For example, in the first call for entries of this funding, there were films that got a lot of money.
Mucho dinero para el contexto cubano, ¿no?
A lot of money in Cuban terms.
Me acuerdo, yo fui jurado de uno de los del concurso de producción y, por ejemplo, a una película se le otorgó $300,000.
For example, in one in which I was in the jury, it got $300,000.
Pero y se premiaron 8 proyectos.
And it was 8 projects selected.
Esa fue en la primera convocatoria. Ahora, para este año, la convocatoria a premiar serían 3 proyectos.
And in this year it would be only 3 projects.
Nosotros premiamos 4 proyectos de ficción, pero aquí son 3 proyectos que podrían ser ficción, documental, animación, o sea, no 3 de ficción. No sé si me hice
we at the end we funded 4 projects that were.
Me lo dije mal. O sea, de los 8 proyectos de la primera convocatoria, 4 proyectos eran de ficción, que era lo que más dinero se llevó.
And like from the first call, they were from the 8 projects, 4 were fiction films. Yeah.
Y ahora en esta
And
convocatoria,
in this time,
la categoría de producción solo tiene 3 proyectos a ganar.
and in this time, there are only 3 projects totally who can be selected.
No importa sea ficción,
If
documental.
fiction, documentary, and animation.
Y el máximo son 45,000 para cada uno.
And the maximum you can get is
Solamente
45,000.
O sea, uno que ganó en la primera ganó 300,000, ahora el máximo de uno es 45,000.
O
sea,
el máximo primero era
O sea, quiere decir que...
800, ¿no?
No, esa fue mi película.
Okay.
Quiere decir que estos 3, o sea, lo que hay ahora para el fondo es menor que lo que ganó un proyecto en la primera convocatoria.
What you can get, the whole fund is less money than what you could get at the beginning for one film.
6 veces menos.
Los 3 no suman lo que les se le dio a
Interesting
uno.
thing is, for me, you are both one of these filmmakers who resist to the immigration you're faced with through all your team at the end. Why do you want to continue to work in these circumstances? Why do you want to insist to do this kind of
Yo creo que tenemos un problema genético. No,
it's a genetic problem.
Estamos mal, no somos normales.
we are simply not normal.
Eso es una...
No
yo creo que es
sabemos.
una duda muy injusta con la que tenemos que cargar diariamente.
It's a very unjust doubt, and we have to face it every day.
¿Hasta qué punto tiene sentido seguirlo intentando
To which point does it really make sense to continue?
si estás siendo egoísta por un poco arrastrar a tu familia contigo?
Perdón, no entendí.
A veces piensas que estás siendo egoísta por arrastrar a tu
Sometimes you even
familia.
think that you're a total egoist because you pull your whole family in this process.
Hay una condición
But there's a condition
del cubano que siempre ha nacido para emigrar en gran medida.
and this it's like Cubans have always emigrated in
Y
a
eso
large
se ha
amount.
potenciado en los últimos años
And that
muchísimo.
has been potentiated in the last years.
Obviamente hay una cuestión de dudas sobre cómo sería, qué posibilidades concretas tendrías como un sujeto emigrante en otro país.
So you always ask yourself the question, what would be your condition if you were a migrant to another country,
Y también qué inspiración tendrías.
and which inspiration you would have.
Es algo con lo que hay que lidiar diariamente.
And that's something you have to struggle with. But my question would be then, are there great examples of emigre Cuban filmmakers that really made it in other places, or is perhaps also the motivation that you say, I want to tell my stories, and if I go to another place, I have to tell other stories which are not mine? Because in some sense, like the exiled Cuban cinema has not been a great success so far, if I understand it right. At least what I get to see. If you see Miami Cuban cinema, for example.
No sé.
I don't know.
Yo creo que siento que está por ver la persistencia de la obra de las personas que no viven más en Cuba,
Yeah, la persistencia
como la continuidad.
So I don't know exactly how the continuity of the work of Cubans who don't live in Cuba anymore is exactly.
¿Cómo?
No, no sé si te entendí bien.
Ok. Yo creo que a lo mejor fui yo el que no te entendí bien a ti.
Okay.
No, yo creo
No,
que...
yo trataba de traducirte a ti.
No, todo bien entonces. No, a ver, yo creo que es difícil, viviendo en Cuba, es difícil mantenerte joven creativamente.
So if you live in Cuba, it's difficult to maintain yourself young creatively.
Es difícil sobrevivir sin enloquecerte.
It is difficult to survive without getting crazy.
O llenarte del odio al que te invitan desde muchos lugares.
And be full of hate because you want to be invited from many places.
Pero intentar hacer cine desde otro país
But to try to
tiene los retos
to do cinema from another country has all the challenges
del desarraigo,
that is the losing your roots,
de aprender a lidiar con otro tipo de sociedad, porque nosotros somos una sociedad muy distinta.
and the fact of facing a completely different society because we are another kind of society.
Yo he visto a grandes cineastas dejar de filmar.
And I saw many great filmmakers that stopped working.
Yo creo que a veces sobrevaloramos nuestras potencialidades.
Sometimes we overevaluate our own potentialities or our own potential.
Últimamente estamos viendo obras
Lately we have seen films
maravillosas que son primeras o segundas obras de cubanos fuera de Cuba.
that are first or second feature films from Cubans that were made out of Cuba,
Donde los temas en general son el desarraigo,
where the subject is basically the fact of losing your roots.
a veces son películas hechas desde el dolor o desde el odio.
Sometimes films made from the pain or from the hatred.
Y esto puede ser común a las personas que viven dentro o fuera de Cuba.
And that can be something that links people who live in Cuba and outside of Cuba.
Pero tengo serias dudas sobre cuánto se puede sostener en el tiempo
But I have serious doubts, how long can this last?
el odio y el dolor como motivación.
Or how long hate and pain can be the moving subject of a film. Yeah.
Yo a veces me siento como que estoy atrapada, ¿no?
But sometimes I feel that I'm like caught.
O sea, siempre tuve como la esperanza de querer hacer, o sea, de hacer cine y no me ubicaba en otro país que no fuera Cuba.
I had a long time the idea of making films, and I didn't really have any plan to do it outside of Cuba.
También con el además que uno tiene de que no tiene mucha referencia de mujeres cineastas, ¿no?
And then there's also the fact that there are not so many Cuban female filmmakers.
Entonces, para mí, cuando yo decidí hacer ficción,
And then when I decided to do fiction,
porque me gusta más que el documental,
because I like it more than documentaries,
yo decía, bueno, esto es una profesión peligrosa para mujeres, ¿no?
I thought that is a quite dangerous profession for women.
Porque conocí muchas realizadoras que se quedaron sin hacer sus películas y que enfermaron.
Because I saw many female filmmakers who didn't do their work because they became ill
Y murieron. O
and
sea,
they died.
o sea, y
Like Sara
siempre-
Gomez.
Sí, y entonces yo decía, uy, o sea, me estoy sometiendo a algo que si no lo logro me puedo frustrar tanto que la tristeza te puede hundir, ¿no?
So I thought that if I'm trying to do something is so hard to do, and if I don't manage to do it, I can become sick because I get depressed.
Y por eso quizás probablemente no me haya ido, porque
And that's perhaps a reason why I didn't leave,
porque me sentía un poquito más segura en Cuba para tratar de intentarlo,
because I felt a little bit safer in Cuba to do this.
a pesar de que sabía que me estaba enfrentando a algo difícil, pero yo tenía como una intuición de que iba a ver de que iba a tener una película y la iba a ver en una pantalla. Tenía como esa
And
sensación.
it's at the end, I had this intuition that there will be a film that will be on a big screen and I will see it.
Ese como el romanticismo que uno tiene
That is the romanticism one has,
y que te hace soñar, ¿no?
and
Digamos.
that makes you dream.
Ahora
And now?
yo siento que uno carga con una tristeza más grande,
I have
digamos,
the feeling that you have to struggle against a greater sadness,
porque Cuba está como un momento bastante oscuro y donde yo ahora mismo, o sea,
because Cuba is in a quite dark moment now.
y yo realmente, o sea, vislumbro una esperanza, pero todavía falta.
I see some hope, like at the end of the tunnel, but quite distant.
Y entonces uno a veces como pierde la perspectiva de que todo cambia,
And sometimes, you lose the perspective that everything can change,
porque está viviendo una vida en lo de uno, pequeña, ¿no? En el cotidiano.
because you have this difficult daily life,
Y eso, y te vas ahogando, ¿no? Te vas ahogando.
and that suffocates you.
Entonces, ahora mismo, a veces, o sea, pienso que uno tiene que asumir las decisiones que ha tomado,
So you have to stand to the decisions you took.
pero bueno, como estamos en una temporada de crisis, a veces me pregunto,
And we're in kind of a moment of
o sea,
crisis.
¿por qué me quedé? ¿Por qué insistí? ¿No?
That I wonder why did I stay? Why did I
Después-
do this?
Después
then-
pienso, no,
And then I think again,
tenía que insistir porque si no, no estuviera aquí, por ejemplo.
I have to insist because if not, I wouldn't be here in Munich, for example.
Así que todo tiene una razón en la vida
So everything has a reason in life,
y a veces uno decide, pero la vida te va conduciendo.
sometimes you decide,
siento.
but life takes you to different places.
Es una mezcla entre que uno decide y a veces deciden por uno.
Sometimes it's a mixture between you decide yourself and somebody decides for you. But I would be interested. It's like there has been quite a lot of action in some sense in the Cuban film scene. When I last went to Havana in 2010, on the one hand there was like a censorship scandal about a film on Fito Páez, the Argentinian singer, and on the other hand there was suddenly the foundation of something I've never heard of in Cuba, which was like an assembly of filmmakers. So I had the strange impression that there was a moment in crisis, and it appears that like the Film Institute became also much more restrictive than it used to be before. But on the other hand, there was like a kind of mobilization of filmmakers at the same time. Could you a bit talk about this? So what happened last year, let's say, and what is the state of things now? Because we haven't seen each other for 6 months, and I think things have also evolved.
Sí, Cuba tiene, o sea, el cine cubano tiene una historia larga de eventos de censura
So Cuba has a long story of censorship moments,
de distintas maneras,
and it in very different ways.
escándalos.
So scandals, for example.
Que por un lado le hacen, digamos, nos han hecho llamar la atención sobre muchas películas que algunas, digamos, han tenido méritos como una obra cinematográfica y otras no.
So that had called our attention to many films that had merits as a work of film art and others not so much.
Y a veces se ha perdido digamos, la ruta del análisis del fenómeno.
And sometimes we have lost the analysis of the phenomenon, which means
Esa fue la razón por la cual, por ejemplo, dejó de existir la muestra joven. Un evento
that was, for example, one of the reasons why like this young filmmakers showed didn't exist anymore.
Hubo otro gran evento
There was another big event
alrededor de la película Santa y Andrés,
about the film Santa y Andrés, which had the same main
The same
actor as both of your films,
Sí.
yeah? Lola Amores.
sí. Y sí, y el último gran evento fue
And
el
the
que tiene que ver
last-
con este documental de La Habana de Fito,
Last censorship event was this documentary on La Habana de Fito, or the Havana of Fito, Fito Páez.
porque se realizó un programa de televisión que básicamente descaracterizaba la obra, exhibiendo una copia ni siquiera terminada de la película.
And it was, pero no
Como
entiendo.
exhibieron en un
sacaron.
programa de televisión,
They showed some parts of the film in a TV show, but that was not really
Pero no era la
the
copia
last,
final.
last cut,
y
the final cut.
no fue, o sea, y fue exhibida estableciendo una crítica sobre la película.
And it was like the not even final cut was shown with criticism of this film.
Pero sin el permiso del director
Y,
y
sí,
del productor.
y absolutamente sin el permiso del director y del
And it was
productor de la
it was
película.
broadcasted on Cuban television without the authorization of the filmmaker.
Esto llamó muchísimo la atención sobre la película y sobre todo movilizó a los cineastas.
And that was mobilized a lot the filmmakers, and it draw also a lot of attention on the film.
Que son probablemente el sector en el arte cubano y de la sociedad civil cubana, somos con una mayor, digamos, capacidad o tradición de cuestionamiento al funcionamiento del Estado, digamos.
Because as filmmakers, we are probably in the all arts system in Cuba the most organized if it's about criticism of the system in Cuba.
Que tiene que ver con una inspiración en cineastas como Tomás Gutiérrez Aleva, que estaban absolutamente ligados a los sucesos culturales más importantes del país.
So it's a bit in the tradition of Tomás Gutiérrez Alea, who was very linked to all the things that happened in the cultural life in Cuba.
Y que hacemos un arte que nos obliga a entrenar la colectividad todo el tiempo.
And we are also obliged as filmmakers to do a work that is collective all the time.
De hecho, fue por presiones de los cineastas que se logró fundar ese fondo del que hablábamos, que se creó en
In
el
fact, it was
2019.
through the pressure of a collective of filmmakers that this film fund we talked about was even funded.
O sea, ahora mismo, en general,
And now, very generally,
nos reunimos alrededor de algo que llamamos Asamblea de Cineastas,
we reunite in this context we call the Asamblea de Cineastas, or the Filmmakers Assembly,
que comenzó teniendo algunas reuniones presenciales que fueron bastante cuestionadas y debilitadas.
And we first make physically in some meetings that were like very much criticized and also nearly made impossible, like
Pero que ahora
weakened by the state.
Pero que ahora tiene una revista, unos representantes, un chat que se abre cada cierto tiempo para analizar cuestiones.
So we have like a review and a channel to question things.
En WhatsApp,
And
digamos.
it's on WhatsApp. And it's on WhatsApp.
Y y todo eso se activó a raíz del documental,
And because of this, like
del evento
censorship
desafortunado.
of,
A raíz de la censura, digamos, del evento desafortunado con La Habana de Fito, fue que se activó.
and through this unfortunate event of the censorship of this film, La Habana de Fito, this was activated.
Que es una iniciativa que debería ser,
It was an initiative that would have been,
digamos, como mucho más aprovechada por el gobierno,
should have been used much more by the government,
pero por supuesto no están las condiciones para que algo así ocurra.
but there are no conditions to do that.
Y creo que perdí un poco el hilo.
Yo también.
¿Sí?
Yo
No,
me
digamos
perdí
que...
ahí.
We have to come to an ending because
Sí.
we're now here. So let's try to find back the.
Digamos que en el seno de la Asamblea de Cineastas es donde se dan los debates más importantes que tienen que ver con el cine cubano. En el seno de la Asamblea de Cineastas
Exactly in this forum of the filmmakers
es
assembly.
donde se dan los debates más importantes que tienen que ver con el cine en Cuba.
It's the possibility to create the debates that are more important in Cuban filmmaking.
Y fue una movilización en respuesta a
And it was a mobilization in reply to
la desvalorización de nuestro cine,
the desvaluation of our filmmaking. So perhaps to finish, Patricia. So where do you think that this can lead to? It's like it's a important moment to get an assembly, to mobilize people from your own sector to do something like collectively, politically, but also artistically. What are the perspectives you see in this kind of, let's say, independent mobilization of filmmakers that don't belong to like a public organization or like an organization by the state? We had this filmmakers movement in the 1960s that said that Daddy's Kino is dead, and they started to create a structure that didn't belong to the former one, for example. Do you see something like this? Or is everybody simply leaving?
A ver, yo pienso que el camino inevitablemente es
the inevitable way will be that,
o sea, este movimiento, digamos,
that this movement
que no solo, que no, o sea, que ahora, o sea, que ahora está como en este momento de evidencia a raíz del suceso de Fito, pero que en realidad ha tenido como otros momentos anteriores donde los cineastas se han movilizado, lo que ahora es más obvio todavía, más evidente,
so
más visible, digamos.
A thing that was mobilized through this Fito film event, but there were things back in time that were already founding this kind of or creating this kind of movement, that they are much more obvious now.
Justamente por el acceso a internet, o sea,
it's more obvious because of the access to internet, for
que era
example.
algo que no existía antes y ahora
That's something that didn't exist before.
y es algo que de lo cual, por ejemplo, el gobierno no puede agarrar ni cómo decir, ya no tiene el control absoluto de la información.
And the government lost the control on information.
Entonces pienso que estamos en un momento en que yo pienso que el futuro va a ser ese es el camino, ¿no? Digamos.
So, and we're in a moment in which we can think that this is the way, so this is the future, how we can
O
organize
sea,
ourselves.
a lo mejor hay un momento ahora de mucha resistencia,
Perhaps there's a moment of a lot of resistance at the moment,
como ha habido otros momentos de otra resistencia,
like there have been other moments of resistance before.
pero bueno, yo pienso que al final todo eso va en camino a cambiar.
But I think this is on a way of change.
Sí, y al final se va a lograr todo, pienso, o por lo menos una parte, digamos, de lo que uno anhela.
And I think at the
Exactly.
end we're going to get what we want. Sounds like a last word, a nice last word. Do we have to, I think we have to leave from the venue, but in any case, I want to give the opportunity for a last question from the audience, because we've talked here on the podium and there was no way of interaction. So do you have a question you want to ask to the Cuban filmmakers? There's a microphone in the venue. Yes, please. We wait for the microphone, please, because
you know, getting international support, how can that, I mean, Cuba is very unique. And so the voices from Cuba, I think, are very important. And there must be, I don't understand why there isn't more international support, you know, from abroad.
To whom? To the filmmakers?
Yes, to Cuba, yes.
Okay, why is there not more international support?
¿Por qué no tenemos
Porque no hay más apoyo internacional.
Porque o sea, las películas que usualmente tienen más apoyo internacional
So the films that have most international support
pertenecen generalmente a países que tienen fondos nacionales importantes.
they belong to countries that have big production funds.
Porque a la hora de tú poder establecer una negociación con otro productor de otro país,
But if you start to negotiate with a producer from another country,
tú tienes que ofrecer algo.
you have to propose something, you have to offer something.
O sea, yo puedo financiar
I can
algo en mi país,
finance
aunque sea pequeño.
Something in my country, even if it's small.
Y entonces ahí un productor dice, bueno, está bien, yo puedo aportar esto.
So a producer says, okay, I can contribute with this and that.
Y otro productor dice, bueno, yo te puedo aportar eso. Y se va haciendo la alianza.
And the other producer says you can contribute with that, and then there's an alliance was
Es como
created.
el cuento de la sopa de piedra, ¿no? Que es un
El cuento de la
No,
sopa de qué?
Es un cuento de productor. O sea,
Didn't
uno
get that
tiene,
one, sorry.
si uno no tiene nada que ofrecer,
And if you don't have anything to offer,
nadie se va a interesar en ti.
nobody will be interested in you.
Es así.
It's simply like
O
this.
sea, porque uno no es, yo puedo tener un guión maravilloso ahora
I
mismo,
might have a wonderful screenplay,
pero desgraciadamente no tengo un mecena.
but
No.
unfortunately I don't have any mecenas.
Como en el Renacimiento, o sea, nadie me va a pagar por eso. ¿no?
Nobody is going to pay me for this.
O sea, si no tengo nada que ofrecer,
And if I don't have anything to offer,
es muy difícil que se acerque. Entonces, por eso,
it's very difficult to get somebody in.
muchas veces, como decía Alan, el cine independiente ha conseguido pequeños fondos
So the filmmakers have some little funds they got,
que inevitablemente hacen que tu película va a ser siempre pobre.
but that make that your film will always be poor,
Porque además tienes que mentir y decir,
and you have to lie,
mentirle
say-
incluso a veces a ese fondo y decirle que tú sí tienes dinero,
and you have to lie to the funding institutions and say, I do have money,
y no es así,
and it's not like this.
para poder ganar el fondo,
In order to get the fund,
que es un fondo pequeñito al final.
it's also a small fund you get,
O sea, en el negocio de cine no se trabaja así.
and in the film industry you don't work like this.
O sea, las películas son caras. Uno
Films are expensive,
puede hacer una película muy pequeña y muy pobre,
and you can do a very small and very poor film,
pero generalmente no es así.
but generally it's not like this.
Se paga, es un trabajo que se paga.
It's a work, and you have to be paid for your work.
O sea, los fotógrafos cobran, los
The
actores.
cinematographers, the actors, everybody has to be paid,
O sea, es toda una maquinaria
and it's all the
grande.
machinery.
Es necesario, entonces, por eso es tan importante en los países, o sea, que tienen grandes cinematografías, generalmente, por supuesto, tienen grandes fondos detrás.
And all these countries that have great cinematographies or great filmmaking have like big funds behind.
O grandes leyes de cine que apoyan un incentivo fiscal a empresas.
Or they like film laws that give tax advantages for companies who invest in films.
Que por eso la gente no les malo invertir en cine, porque tienen un incentivo fiscal, cosa que por ejemplo pasa en Dominicana, ¿no?
So it's like in Dominican Republic you have interested in investing in films because you have an advantage from it.
Que tienen una excelente ley de cine,
That
por
has
ejemplo.
a very excellent film law.
Antes de tener ley de cine, Dominicana, o sea, hace 20 años Dominicana no tenía prácticamente películas, y con el fondo de fomento de ellos, o sea, con su ley de cine, Dominicana, o sea, está teniendo películas importantísimas ahora.
And before this film law, there was nearly no production in the Dominican Republic, and now there is because of the film law.
Entonces, es así.
That's right. Well, unfortunately, I would really like to continue, but it's like this. We have this venue only for this limited time, and we already exceeded it. So, well, I would say the proof that it is possible are your films. I really loved them, and it is. I think we have 4 films from Cuba this year, 6 from Brazil, 3 from Argentina. So it's like you're in the top category, I think, of the countries that produce films, even in these circumstances. And I think this is a sign of hope, even if I can completely understand that it is awful to face this reality. But I insist in having faith in you, and that's why I thank you so much that you did these films, and I thank you so much that you came to Munich, and also that you discussed with us, and thanks to the audience for being here.
Gracias.